people, how are you all doing? My name is Sarah. If you are new here, welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I'm going to be turning my hair from black to blonde. If it is heckling here, guys, we're in my washroom, so the perfect and safest place for me to dye my hair is in my washroom without getting stuff messed up. So real quick, let's not waste time, let's just jump right into the video. So guys, this is not my first time dyeing my hair. I have actually dyed my hair before, but what I used before was the ginger blonde. But when I went to the store where I got it before, I couldn't find that. What I found was this one. I know you guys can see. It's a Dark and Lovely new fade resistant. So hair color, brown design for women, color, blah 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 blah. Good. So this is what we are going to be using. I have not used this before, so this is the first time I'm going to be trying this out. I hope it gives me the perfect color that I want. When I used the ginger blonde before, it was dope and I love it. So real quick, we're going to be mixing it together. So all you need to do is get this fade resistant cream developer. This is the developer and this is the... So get this, open it, and highlighter booster, pour it inside the developer, then shake it together. There is instruction here, so just shake it together until it is completely mixed for at least like 10 minutes. So when you are done with that, you reopen it, then you pour in this fade resistant rich conditioning hair lightener. That's what I'm going to be doing. You guys will see me do it real quick. And please, if you love this woman you're seeing here, don't forget to join the family. Click on that subscribe button, turn on notifications, so each time I upload a video, you will be the first person to know. And if you love the way I do my videos, please share the video to your loved one, to your grandma, your auntie, your sister. Let's take this YouTube channel to another level. It's all about natural hair and beauty. I love you all just the way you love me. Let's go. Just like that. See? Yeah. I choose to cut it like this so you can do easy transfer, like so. Empty everything. Just put your hand like so. Then we begin to shake. So let's shake it out for 10 minutes, right? Right. Oh guys, we're done shaking that together. So you see, I decided to wear my own glove. That one was way too small. Maybe it's not meant for a big person like me. Pouring in the highlighter. So now, open it up. You just have to pour everything in. Cover it back. Just put your hand like so. Then you keep shaking. Let's mix it up. Okay guys, let me put the towel over me, and I don't want to use a white towel. Obviously, we are dyeing our hair. My hair, our hair. Yes, because if you are watching this video, probably you want to dye your hair. So what I did, I have gone ahead to wash this hair 3 days back. Then I did not put any leave-in conditioner. There is no leave-in conditioner in this hair right now, as you are seeing it. What you're going to do is part your hair into 4. Hey, 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 hey. Okay guys, now the hair is into 4. I don't want the color all over my hair. I just need it at the tip of my hair. So I'm just gonna go like this. Then pack here out because it's tip like this that I want it. I don't want it too much all over. So just get it bound like so. Then hold it like that. That means this is where I'm gonna be tinting. That's where I'm gonna be applying the color. Okay guys, look at it. So the dye is not gonna get here, it's just all here we're gonna get. But if you want just the tip of your hair, go ahead and put extra rubber. Boom, that's how to get just the tip. But me, I want to go a bit down. So now this is the combo we're gonna be using. This is the mixture. So let's get started. And I'm gonna be looking at the mirror. You make sure before you start dyeing your hair is washed and dry and well detangled. But you don't want to do this on a tangled hair. Wow, this thing is harsh. It's getting on my eye. And then we're gonna take time. it's advisable that you wrap each one when you're done. Oh my word. So since I did not bring it in, I'm going to be using to wrap it. Glove that they included, that was not my size. Okay, good. Oh shit. So I'm just going to go ahead like this and put it inside the glove. Come on, open your mouth. Good. Boom, boom. Let's move on to the second one. That is called improvising. I don't want to go downstairs again. Just pour. Okay. If you are disturbing me, all you need to do is clip the phalanges away. Oh my word. So let's add some more. I like the result to be dope. You better be dope. I'm just gonna put it right here. You just stay awful like this. You can use a foil paper for these guys, foil paper. But all the ones I normally do, I don't bother covering them. Actually, I don't know why. So I just go ahead, do all four, wear my shower cap, which that's what I'm going to be doing. This your cup, just to cover it. So you start checking time. After 20 minutes, we wash it out, we rinse it out. So let me check my time now. I have my phone here. I'll be doing my timing. Guys, if you have watched to this extent, have you subscribed? Please subscribe, like, and share. One love. Okay guys, this is after 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Hey. This is after 10 minutes, guys. After 10 minutes, it's giving me the vibe. Look at that. Right now, this is 25 minutes later. Let's check it out together. When you're going blonde, you should know the type of shade that you like. Once it start giving you that vibe, I think it's that time I throw it. OMG, exactly what I want. I got it now. I got it now. I got it now. I got it now. Oh, I got it now. I got it now. Oh, I got it now. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Did you see that? Did you see that? When you watch this video and you find this video very helpful, don't hold it back. Share so that every other person that wants to go blonde can go ahead. Just buy this and do it yourself at home. I'm not against you going to a stylist to perfect it for you. But if you feel like doing it by yourself, just like me, go ahead, do it yourself. Look at that, guys. In total, I left it for just 25 minutes. Now it's all doped up. This is the exact color that I want. Time is still counting. Right now it's 29 minutes. So I'm just going to rinse it out. To rinse it out, just going to cut all this elastic out. Okay guys, let me just rinse the hair out. We'll see you guys after the rinsing. So don't forget, when I'm done rinsing it out, this also comes with the product. This is the fade resistant nourishing care conditioner. This is the conditioner that comes with it. So when I'm done washing it, I don't need any hair shampoo. I'm not going to use shampoo or anything because my hair is already clean. So I'm just going to go ahead, rinse this product out, then apply the conditioner. Boom! I will show you guys the finished look. I don't want you guys to be left out. Some people will be like, oh, you didn't show us when you did this, you didn't show us when you did that. So now you can see all I did was just to rinse it out. I'm going to go in now with the conditioner that I showed you guys before. Just open it up. I just apply it everywhere. It's a conditioner. So excuse my face because I'm dripping all over. I'm going to add some more. People go blonde like this every day, but when you ask them, okay, what did you use, they don't really want to share the real thing. So that's why your own is not coming out well. Mine is here. Just show you how I did it. Free of charge, but all you need to do is subscribe, like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up is very important in YouTube. smash that thumbs up button for your girl. Then share the video out for any other person that want to go blonde. Share it for your girl on all social media. Oh guys, this is so popping. It's popping. The result is lit. I'm not remaining, guys. Look at it. Let my hair drink it. So people can use this twice. You can use yours. You can use it twice if you want. The blonde. After applying the conditioner, then I comb everything through. Look, see, it's all detangled. So now I'm going to rinse it out real quick. Then we'll bring the video to an end, right? So don't forget, I upload on this channel every Friday. Every Friday is once in a week upload. Every Friday. Turn on your notification, guys. You rinse it with lukewarm water. Okay guys, I'm done washing my hair out. So I just rinse out the product. It's all blonde, just the way I want. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is just my hair without no products. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that I love you just the way you guys love me. Peace. We out.